Today I'm going to show you how to empty a bottle of whatever liquid faster than normally. Hope you enjoy. I'm going to show both ways 2 times. So here's the normal way, which is boring because it takes so long. Just look at this. And here's the normal way again. And here's the easy way. You have to shake the bottle, let the water out, and shake it a little bit more. And then you should get this spiral thing inside of the bottle, and it should go out super quickly. And here's how to do it again. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and also you should use this trick to save some time. See ya!